L'article partitif, the partitive article.
Bonjour les amis. Today we're going to explore the partitive article. So, what is the partitive article? Qu'est-ce que c'est? The partitive article in English corresponds to the word some and any if you ask a question. So, it is used to express an indefinite quantity or a part of something. You use the partitive articles in front of food items or drinks you cannot count. For example, if you want bread, you're going to say, I want some bread or I want bread. Well, this is when you're going to use the partitive article in French. You don't want one bread or two breads. The same for beer, for example, la bière. You're going to want some beer or some French fries. That's when we use partitive articles. So let's get started and let's take the bread example. The bread in French is le pain. Le indicates that it's a masculine word. Well, if you want to say I want some bread, you replace the le by a du. So I want some bread is je veux du pain. If you want to say I eat some bread or I eat bread, je mange du pain. Je mange du pain. And if you are ordering in a restaurant and you say I'll have some bread, je prends du pain. Je prends du pain. Let's take another masculine word, le fromage. Le fromage is the cheese. This time, suppose you want to ask questions. For example, do you want cheese? Do you want any cheese? Then you do the same thing. Veux-tu du fromage? Another question. Do you eat cheese? Manges-tu du fromage? Manges-tu du fromage? And the last question. You are at a party. Somebody asks you, are you having any cheese? Are you having cheese? Prends-tu du fromage? Prends-tu du fromage? So now, let's move on to feminine words. And we're going to use la quiche, the quiche. To say some quiche, you use de la. You do not substitute the la for another word. You just add de in front of it. So, I want some quiche. Je veux de la quiche. Je veux de la quiche. If you eat some quiche, I want some quiche. Je mange de la quiche. Je mange de la quiche. And for I'll have some quiche, je prends de la quiche. Je prends de la quiche. Let's now create questions using another example. This time it will be la glace à la fraise, the strawberry ice cream. Do you want strawberry ice cream? Veux-tu de la glace à la fraise? Veux-tu de la glace à la fraise? Do you eat strawberry ice cream? Manges-tu de la glace à la fraise? Manges-tu de la glace à la fraise? And will you have strawberry ice cream? Prends-tu de la glace à la fraise? Prends-tu de la glace à la fraise? So, now that we saw masculine and feminine words, we're going to move on to words that start with an H or a vowel, and whose definite article is L apostrophe, not le or la. And we'll use the example of l'huile d'olive, the olive oil. It's very easy because you do the same thing as what you did for feminine words. You just add de in front of the L apostrophe. I want some olive oil. You will say je veux de l'huile d'olive. If you eat olive oil, je mange de l'huile d'olive. And if you say I have olive oil, je prends de l'huile d'olive. Let's now create questions with another example. We'll use l'eau, water. And maybe by now you guessed the answer. Veux-tu de l'eau? Do you want water? Bois-tu de l'eau? Do you drink water? Prends-tu de l'eau? Will you have water? We now have one last option to discuss, the words in the plural form. And for this, we'll use les macarons, macarons. Don't they look good too? If you have a word preceded by les, you apply the same rule as what you did for le. You substitute the les by des. Je veux des macarons. I want some macarons. Or je mange des macarons. I eat some macarons. Je prends des macarons. I have some macarons. Let's now create questions using les frites, French fries. Do you want French fries? Veux-tu des frites? Do you eat French fries? Manges-tu des frites? And will you have French fries? Prends-tu des frites? So that's it. Now you have the rule. So let's summarize. In front of a masculine word, instead of saying de plus le, you use the word du. For a word that starts with a vowel or an H, you say de and then l'apostrophe. For a feminine word, de la. And for the plural, instead of de plus les, you use des. We now have one more little thing to discuss. It's the negative form. For sentences in the negative form, you only use de or the apostrophe if the word starts with a vowel or an H. You never use du, de la, or des. So let's take an example. Suppose you don't want cake. Cake is le gâteau. If you don't want any, you say je ne veux pas de gâteau. If you want cake, je veux du gâteau. So be careful. Je ne veux pas de gâteau. Let's now talk about la salade. Salad. If you eat salad, you say je mange de la salade. If you don't eat it, je ne mange pas de salade. It is the same thing for les pâtes, pasta. I am not having any pasta. Je ne prends pas de pâtes. If you are having some, you would say je prends des pâtes. And we'll take one last example with l'alcool, the alcohol. If you're not drinking alcohol, je ne bois pas d'alcool. D apostrophe because alcohol starts with a vowel. If you drink some, je bois de l'alcool. And that's it pour aujourd'hui. Now you know how to express yourself when you want to eat or drink a part of something. Merci d'avoir regardé cette vidéo et bonne journée à tout le monde.